Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Qlip English, the show that helps you improve your English in a natural and enjoyable way. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael. Hi, Olivia. Hi, everyone listening.
Hey, Michael, how's your day going?
It's been really productive, actually. I spent the morning reviewing some interesting language learning research, which is perfect timing because of today's topic.
Oh, that's great. Yes, today we're diving into something that I think many of our listeners struggle with.
Let me guess, talking about your daily routine in English?
Exactly. A lot of learners can understand English, but when someone asks, "What did you do today?" or "How was your day?" they feel stuck. They know the words in their head, but they can't speak them fluently. Today, we're going to fix that. We'll learn simple, natural phrases you can use to talk about your day from morning to night in a way that sounds real and confident.
And we'll keep everything easy and practical for A2 level and strong beginners.
Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to Qlip English, and share it with a friend who is learning. It really helps us. Let's begin with Jessie's story. She sent us her daily routine. Listen carefully.
Hello, my name is Jessie. Let me tell you about my typical weekday. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. First, I get out of bed and go straight to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water to wake up. Then I go to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee. While the coffee is brewing, I check my phone for messages. After that, I get dressed, usually jeans and a simple shirt. I eat breakfast quickly, usually toast with avocado and my coffee. At 7:45, I leave the house and take the bus to work. The journey takes about 40 minutes. I usually listen to music or a podcast on the way. I arrive at the office around 8:30. I check my emails and start my tasks. At 12:30, I have lunch with my colleagues. In the afternoon, I continue working until 5 p.m. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes and relax for a while. Around 7, I cook dinner. After eating, I wash the dishes and spend time with my family. Before bed, I take a shower and read a book for 20 minutes. I usually go to sleep at 11 p.m.
Thank you, Jessie. That was very clear and natural.
Yes, thank you. We heard many useful expressions. Wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, make coffee, get dressed, take the bus, check emails, have lunch, finish work, relax, cook dinner, spend time with family, and go to sleep.
Notice how Jessie used time expressions like at 6:30, around 8:30, until 5 p.m., and for 20 minutes. This makes your routine easy to understand.
Now it's your turn. Try to describe your own daily routine using some of these phrases.
Here's a simple structure you can follow. Morning, wake up, get dressed, have breakfast. Day, go to work, have lunch, finish work. Evening, cook dinner, relax, go to bed.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us slowly. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I make coffee and check my phone. I take the bus to work. After work, I relax and cook dinner. I go to bed around 11.
Very good. The more you repeat these patterns, the more natural they become. Your challenge. For the next 7 days, record yourself for 1 minute describing your daily routine in English. Use at least 5 phrases from this video. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Come back and tell us in the comments. What is one thing you do every day? Are you a morning person or an evening person? If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to Qlip English, and share it with a friend who wants to improve their speaking. In the next video, we're going to reveal the 1% native listening secret. This is a very powerful lesson you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next one. Bye!